Thursday, everybody. In Australia, it has clicked over on a Thursday. So today we are going to be doing a little video and I'm going to show you what I've unwrapped in my Vistaprint package that has just arrived today. Very excited to open this. I actually wanted to get stickers for the back of, my soaps, because basically I create them on Cricut and then print them out. But because I actually sell thousands and thousands of soap, I thought, look, this is ridiculous. I really need to just spend the money. And lucky for me, Vistaprint had 50% off this week because it's, getting into your Black Friday sales. So I thought, look, let's just order it. So I thought I'll show you what I'm doing. I'll show you my new packaging. It's so pretty. Honestly, I love it. I really love it. I have a couple surprises which I'll tell you through the video, and let's get going and we will wrap these up and we'll unwrap it so I can show you exactly what I've ordered. So let's go. So here we are, everyone. This is the big package from Vistaprint. There's quite a lot in here. So I'm going to show you. We will move these ones out. These are actually the new labels. Now in these, this is how you get them. This is actually Vistaprint do a couple ones. They do some on a roll and some on a flat paper for the stickers. But I got the flat paper, which are these ones. Now the reason I got this like this is this was 50% off and the one on the roll was only 20% off. So I decided to get them, and look how beautiful they look. So this is what is going on the back of my soap. I've chosen the matte. Now when you choose the matte, I will tell you the matte doesn't look it's not totally shiny less, if that makes sense. So I know, because I don't really like the gloss, it's not my thing, but anyway, that's what these ones look like. So don't they look pretty? So you can see my new logo. If you can see, it's kind of a heart, because I always put a heart around everything, and I thought, look, let's just make the heart like that. So I ordered 600 of these, and it was pretty cheap. I think it worked out, if I'm right, I think it worked out to be like 10 cents a label, which is really cheap. Honestly, it probably cost me similar to that printing it on the Cricut with the ink that I use. So that's why I thought, no, look, let's just get them while they're so cheap. And I will show you my new packaging as well, because look, I do have, I think, 25 different soaps in my range, and look, I wouldn't suggest having that many soap, but the reason I actually do have so much soap in my range is I sell wholesale, and often the wholesale people just love it. It's just what they want. They want lots of different ones. So that's why I do them. So don't these look beautiful? These are for my new coffee. I mean, I love them. They're so nice. I've spent a bit of time redoing these, and you can see this centerpiece here. This is what goes over the soap. Now we'll wrap one today so I can actually show you, but I thought more we'll just unpackage this so you can see what I'm up to. We'll open the second one. So this one is orange patchouli, and this is the first package. I've actually ordered 2 packages. So the second package will be coming next week, I'm presuming, because in Australia we've had massive floods and big issues in Australia. So all the packaging and everything's taking longer, but I have to say this has only taken 4 days, which is amazing, because on the site they expected up to 2 weeks. So I was very excited, didn't expect to get it. And now this is my orange patchouli. Doesn't it look beautiful? Like, isn't that so nice? I really love it. So like I said, we've got the coffee, the patchouli, and the third one I ordered with this packaging. Now this one here is my baby one. So, well, it's not really a baby one. It's like a child's soap. It's like a strawberry milkshake kind of scent. It smells just lovely. And I'm really in love with this packaging. My daughter Emily thought it was beautiful too. So look how cute that is. So that is my new inspired one, and we're going to be wrapping those because that is the soap that's going inside those ones. So, and I will tell everyone, when I actually did this, this was mostly pinks I used, but adding those 2 pinks, it's gone a purpley pink, which is fine. I don't mind. I think it's beautiful. I love it. So anyway, like I said, we're going to be wrapping up those ones today. So let's grab some soap. We will do those and we'll test them, and I'll show you the old labels I used to use. And the good thing about this is, honestly, when you do wholesale, it gets so busy you know, and when I have to print out labels, it just takes more time. So my wholesale, I always tell people it's about a week turnaround. But with these new labels and with everything being just much more easy for me, maybe then I can do, you know, 3-day turnaround or something, because people don't want to wait forever for their parcel, and I totally understand that. But you know, I don't lie, I'm working with what I'm working with, and there's no good telling someone 2 days when you know it's going to take you 5 or 6. But anyway, like I said, let's get going, and we're going to wrap up some gorgeous soap, and we're going to have a little chat. I'll tell you what I'm up to as well. All right, we are back. So here is the label one that we are doing. And now what I do is cut up little pieces. This is just a baking paper. And what it actually allows is for any seepage or oil or anything. I mean, my soap's very dry. It doesn't, you know, like it's hard. If you tap it, you can feel how nice and hard it is. But, you know, it just protects it just in case. I mean, we don't want to have this absolutely beautiful paper and then destroy it with oil seeping on it. So all I'm going to do is as little tape as I can, just one little piece. And then what it actually does, now if you can see this and it's not exactly centered, you can move it because the baking paper on the inside helps it to slide. And that's basically what it's going to look like. So now what I do is we're going to fold it. So I just do that and make sure it's even, which it is. And this is how I fold all of mine. I have shown a video on this, but while I'm doing this, so the back part of the soap push forward and the forward part push back. And so what actually happens, if you can see this, it's in the middle of that. So then literally this is going to close over the top, and then look how neat it looks. So it looks like a perfectly neat present. And I know how to do all of these because for many years I've actually run retail stores, and with that I had to actually do gift wrapping for most of the stores I've worked at. So yeah, so that's basically why I've done it. But look how beautiful it is. Isn't that so sweet? And then so now we're just going to turn it around this way, and we will use our new stickers like I said that we just bought. So let's just we'll open one of these up. And they do come on that sheet of paper. I don't know why they come on a paper like that, but anyway, they do. So like I said, they come like this, and let's just so yeah, they come off nice and easy for anyone that wants to know. And then I'm going to just stick it over, and the good thing is it will go over any sticky tape and look perfect. And I looked at this and thought, oh, I reckon that's going to be perfect, and it is. Look, it fits absolutely perfect on top. So for anyone wanting to know what I write on it, I'll put it up nice and close. This is what it says on my soap. I do have a warning. You should always have a warning on your soap. So anyway, doesn't that look pretty? And like I said, I do sell a lot of these to gift stores and things like that. So we're going to keep wrapping these ones. And I thought we will have a chat what I'm up to at the moment. Now, I know I did say in one of the videos that I was hoping to open a store this year, which I definitely wanted to open one this year or in next year. And my husband and I were almost ready to sign a lease on one, but then anyway, it wasn't the exact store that I wanted. And you know what I actually did think? I thought, oh, Rhonda, don't do this. Don't sign on to a store that you're not 100% with. It wasn't as big as I wanted. And I wanted to be able to offer classes so that I could teach how to make like candles, soaps, and so on in classes. So anyway, so I didn't sign on to that. So that is literally why you know, I did not get the shop, or didn't apply for it actually. So anyway, I thought, look, I'm just going to wait until maybe late 2023 to have another look to see, you know, because everybody, when you go into a shop, you can't just look at it and go, oh, that's, you know, for instance, $40,000 a year to have that shop. What's actually involved is, you know, you have to pay security deposits, getting the whole thing decked out. You probably need to make extra products. And my husband and I did a basic calculation, and even with him helping do most of the work cheap, it was still going to come to around $75,000 just to open the door of a retail shop. So anyway, I just thought, look, that's a bit silly. I'm not going to do that. We'll just wait until it's a better time, and the economy is still trying to recover a little bit. But anyway, in the future, look out for that. Like I said, we'll Our goal is to open a shop and help teach people more. And of course, you all know my husband is creating some bath bomb trays that match with the bath bombs. It takes a long time because, you know, you have to do lots of testing, you know, and then I'll have to make them after those bath bomb things are made, just to make sure, you know, that they're good for everyone. I don't want to be selling something that doesn't work amazing. So anyway, and all of our bath bomb trays and the bath bomb molds will be pink because everybody knows I absolutely love pink. My brother used to say to me, pink stinks, because he knew how much I loved it. And of course, he used to stir me up, being only 1 year younger than me. But anyway, I still remember him saying that, which is a little bit funny. So yeah, so that's literally what I've been up to at the moment. And everybody, I'll tell you, this Christmas season, usually this Christmas season, I'm so busy, I can't literally breathe. But can I tell you, this year has not been a good year for me, like in sales wise, even retail. It hasn't been super good. Usually it is. This time of year, last year, I was taking, I'm going to say 4 to 5 times what I'm taking this year. So it really does go to show that people are generally trying not to spend as much. They're trying to be a lot more cautious, which I totally understand. Yeah, so that's the market at the moment. And I've got another surprise. I knew something. I am thinking, because I didn't get the store, or chose not to go for the store right now, I need to save some more money. So I thought maybe I will go back and do some local markets. Lots of you know that I do the craft markets, and I usually do it for a company called Craft Markets Australia. So they've said yes, they've accepted me back, which is very exciting. And so hopefully in the future, you know, from December or January, you will start to see me at those. So I will be, usually I'm always at places like Mornington, Yarra Glen. This is all in Victoria, everybody. So where will I be? Mornington, Yarra Glen. I should be at Red Hill as well. So yeah, so they're generally the ones that I like to do, because I do have a lot of customers in those areas. So if you've been waiting for me to come back, you'll be super excited that I am going to come back for 2023. That will be my thing. And one thing I did need to tell you as well, which my Patreons do know, on Patreon I do actually do extra videos for them that don't come onto YouTube. It's just as a thank you for them subscribing. So if you want to go over and see me on Patreon, just go over there. You know, it costs as little as $5 a month, but to see those extra videos, that is for people on the $7.50 to $10 and up one for that. And I'm also doing an actual book. So I'm in the middle of making an ebook, and that will also go to Patreon members that are signed up for a year, or that have been following me for that long on Patreon. So yeah, come over there if you like. And like I said, so they do get extra videos. So I give them 52 more videos a year. Because every Wednesday I put a new video up there, and it's usually behind the scenes on me making something, and they do also get 52 recipes a year, and I don't lock anything, so you'll be able to see everything that's over there on Patreon. So come and join me over there. But yeah, so like I said, for today, it's really just about wrapping soaps. I've already made some candles this morning, or some toppers for the candles, and I'm going to bring a video hopefully next week, and that video will be how to actually make like a Christmas gingerbread looking. It's not going to be gingerbread smell, because I don't do that, but it will like have a little gingerbread man on my candle, and I'll show you how to pop the wick through, the tricks to get the wick through the embed, and then of course through the candle as well. So like I said, I will actually bring that one. But I mean, look, as we've been talking, we've already done, there's 2 lots of these. I mean, don't they look so pretty? Can't you imagine them being in the shop? I mean, I can. And if I seen that, I would so buy that for my little daughter Ellie, my granddaughter Ellie, I should say, because Ellie absolutely loves unicorns, princesses, and anything girly. She loves it. you know, I asked her, what do you want for Christmas? And she said, I want lip gloss to be beautiful. So I thought that was a bit funny. So I bought her some little lip gloss. A bit funny. My daughter is going to laugh when she unwraps it. It's a little lip gloss case with a little tiny baby suitcase with like 3 lip glosses in it. They're just clear lip glosses that taste like watermelon and strawberries and whatever. So isn't that cute? So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's just an extra little video to show you what I'm up to. When I get my next package from Vistaprint, I will show you what that one is too, because I have lots and lots in that one. I think I literally ordered for every single soap that I have, because I thought I need to get wrapping these, and it was just costing me so much money with printing. This was actually cheaper, honestly. This worked out cheaper, and at the moment these are half price, so to get these all printed. Anyway, my lovelies, I hope that you're getting ready for Christmas, having some fun. I will post a little bit about my Christmas tree, and I'll do a bit of a Christmas. I thought each year I might do a Christmas goodbye at the end of the year with a little chat, so I thought that would be a bit fun, won't it? So like I said, I will get going, and I will see all of you on Sunday if you join in for our Sunday chat. Bye, friends.